Given the parametric equations x equals 4 cosine t and y equals 3 sine t, write the equation of the line tangent to the curve at the point where t equals 3 pi over 4. Okay, so to write a tangent line, you need two pieces of information. You need a point, which is an xy point, and you need a slope. Now our slope is going to be dy dx, but we know in parametric form that's actually equal to dy dt divided by dx dt. Our point x and y are going to be given by the parametric equation. So we're looking at these values or these equations when t equals 3 pi over 4. So we'll start with that. So our x will equal 4 times cosine of 3 pi over 4, and our y will equal 3 times sine of 3 pi over 4. So I know that I have to get the values off the unit circle for sine and cosine of 3 pi over 4. So I know on the unit circle that 3 pi over 4 is 3/4 of the way to pi. Here's 0, here's pi. So 3/4 is right here. I know that my sine value will be positive because it's the y value in the unit circle, and my cosine value will be negative because it's the x value in the unit circle and I'm to the left. So I also know that for both of these values the actual number is square root of 2 over 2. So for my point I would have 4 times a negative square root of 2 over 2, comma 3 times a positive square root of 2 over 2. So I know that my point is actually negative 2 square root of 2, comma 3 square root of 2 divided by 2. This is our xy point. To get our slope, I'm looking at the derivative of y with respect to t divided by the derivative of x with respect to t. So if I take the derivative of y, my y is 3 sine t, so my dy dt will be 3 times cosine t. And this is to find our m. My x is 4 cosine t, so my dx dt, the derivative, will be a negative 4 sine t. And I want this when t equals 3 pi over 4. So it's the same radian, 3 pi over 4, so I know that my sine and cosine values will be the same in magnitude, but my cosine value will be negative. So I could say my slope is equal to 3 times a negative square root of 2 over 2. And I have a negative 4 times a positive square root of 2 over 2 in the denominator. The negatives cancel out, and so do the square root of 2 over 2. So I know that my slope equals a positive 3/4. And now I'm ready to write the equation of my line. It'll be y equals my slope of 3/4. My point has been shifted from the origin to the left, 2 square root of 2, so it'll be x plus 2 square root of 2. And it has been shifted up 3 square root of 2 over 2. And that is the equation of the line tangent to the curve when t equals 3 pi over 4.